What is the national flower of the Philippines?
Sampaguita.
Correct.
Natalo ako doon ah.
What particle in an atom has a negative charge?
Hoy, ano yan? Hoy, nag-aaral ko ng medicine. Electron.
Correct.
Ako po yung pinakamatanda dito, pero ako yung
John.
mamatalo. Dalihan mo.
Ay! What country has Mount Fuji?
Japan?
Correct. Who invented the Pythagorean theorem?
Wait lang. Sikaw, ba't ka? Wait! Pythagoras.
Correct. If a pig gains 250 pounds a day, how many pounds it will have gained on 3 days?
750.
Correct.
Deserve ang scholar.
In part of speech, it is the action or state being in a sentence.
Ano yun? Bobo ko sa English.
Action word.
Ha? Verbal. Verbal.
Wrong.
Verb?
Verb. Correct. What number is the Roman numeral V?
5.
Correct. John.
Bababa ako. Nag-pressure kasi ako.
What do you call a person who speaks two languages?
Bilingual? Bilingual?
Correct. What is the deepest ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Correct. Okay, it is a process by which water vapor in the air is changed into liquid water.
Climate change?
Wrong.
Oxidation? Oxidation?
Wrong.
Evaporation?
Wrong.
Condensation? Condensation?
Correct. Alright, anong mga names sila?
Ano ba? Pia. Mia.
Alright, thank you so much, guys.